Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to delve into the details of the Arduino UNO microcontroller board. The Arduino UNO is a popular and versatile microcontroller board that is widely used in the world of electronics and prototyping. It is based on the 8MEGA 328P microcontroller and features a variety of digital and analog pins that can be used for interfacing with various components and sensors. The board consists of 14 digital pins, 6 analog input pins, a 16 MHz quartz crystal, a USB connection, a power jack, an ICSP header, and a reset button. The digital pins can be used for interfacing with digital components such as LEDs, motors, and relays, while the analog pins can be used to read analog sensor values. The Arduino UNO can be programmed using the Arduino IDE, which is based on the C or C++ programming language. It can be powered either through the USB connection or an external power supply, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. In summary, the Arduino UNO microcontroller board is a powerful and flexible platform that is ideal for beginners and experienced users alike. It provides an excellent foundation for creating interactive electronic projects and prototypes. For more informative videos like this, share, like, and subscribe to our channel.